Welcome to Basecamp. This project management software is what we use at Marwick to make sure that everything stays organized. In order to accept your invitation, you can click on the email invite from Basecamp in your inbox. Click Join the Project and you'll be able to set your name and password, and you'll be in our project dashboard area. Once you log in, you'll see our project titled by your company name, and within that, you will find three main tools: the message board, the to-dos, and the docs and files. The message board area will be your main point of contact to be able to raise any queries or ask any questions to our team directly. You can either respond by leaving a comment below and tagging us, or you can also use the boost function that allows you to send across quick messages. You can also use the message board to give us updates or alert us regarding any issues. This way our entire team gets notified in one go and we're able to address your concerns promptly. The to-do section allows you to see our timeline as we work through your deliverables for the month. The docs and file section in Basecamp allows you to easily share any content with us by uploading files as you would to Google Drive. For example, you may need to upload assets such as logos, pictures, and other brand elements. This would be a good place to upload them so that our entire team has access to it. If adding a whole new platform to your plate can be a hassle, don't worry, you can also respond to the Basecamp notifications using your Gmail directly. Just go ahead and respond to a normal email as you would. That message will directly come into our platform, making communication easy and quick. I hope this tutorial helped. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.